How to make money fast. So we got like betting, gambling, online surveys, pay to search the web. All these things sound like scams. What about this thing? We got real estate wholesaling. You guys ever heard of that? Hey, what is going on, everyone? Devin Knupp here with another video providing massive value and fire content like always. And so in today's video, I'm going to be talking with you guys about how real estate wholesaling can change your life. And so now a lot of you guys are asking like, oh, it's a scam, or oh, it's illegal. You got to get your real estate license. You got to make sure your contracts are perfect. You got to make sure everything's perfect before you get into it. And so I'm here to kind of just bring the truth to you guys and kind of show you how real estate wholesaling can really just change your life and how it's changed my own life personally. So if you guys like today's video, make sure you join the fam, join the gang by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. Also, if you guys enjoyed today's video, drop a like. And before I jump into it, I just want to let you guys know in the link, there's a link in the description down below where I am hosting a live training tomorrow at, it's like 7 p.m. to my time, so 6 p.m. Pacific, and then what is that, 9 p.m. Eastern time if you guys really want the specifics. Anyways, I'm breaking down like 3 secrets inside of there, like how to do deals, and I'm gonna give you guys exactly step by step what you need to do to go out there and do a wholesale deal, so that way you have everything that you need, and it's gonna be live. You guys can ask me questions and all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna put the link down below. I am limited to 200 seats, and so it's been filling up very quickly. I started advertising it on like Facebook and Instagram, and I've been posting it the last couple of days. And so those links actually weren't working. I got the new link. It's going to be updated in all the last few videos since I announced it. And you guys can go check it out. And I'm excited to see you guys there. Anyways, so today, like I said, I'm going to be talking about how real estate wholesaling kind of changed my life. And I'm going to kind of crush a few of the myths that come along with real estate wholesaling. And so one of the first questions is like, is real estate wholesaling a scam? Is it illegal and whatnot? No, it's not. It's 100% legal. Actually, like right here on my desk, I don't know why this is out, but I got a little receipt for like a $10,000 check that I cashed a few months ago. And it's definitely totally legit. I have attorneys, title companies, all real estate agents, real estate brokers tell me everything that I am doing is legit, as well as I know it's legit because I done a lot of research and into it. And obviously every state's different, so what works in my state may not work in yours, so you have to find that out for yourself. But anyways, it's legit. It just depends on how you have to do it in your state. And so if you want to know what real estate wholesaling is, I have a link at the end in my bio of every single video that I ever put out, so go check it out. It's like, what is real estate wholesaling? Go check it out. And I laid out step by step exactly what real estate wholesaling is. And so how does it really change your life? And so if you guys aren't familiar with watching a lot of my videos, I want to say like the average deal that I'm closing is about $10,000. I'm trying to get that higher, but $10,000, and I started about a year ago. Now imagine like if you just did one deal, and let's say you did awful and you only made like $5,000, and it took you like maybe 2 months to do this deal, but $5,000 from a little side hustle. How would that change your life? I want you to answer in your head right now. How would $5,000 change your life? What about $10,000? What if you did like an average deal? You made $10,000 on one deal. How would that change your life? Now what if you got like a monster deal where you made like $50,000, $70,000, $80,000 on one deal? And there's some people that go into the 6 figures off of one wholesale deal. But anyways, that's beyond the point. It's life-changing money that you're making very quickly. Now, I have to give you guys a disclaimer. It's not as easy as it sounds. You do go out there and just sign contracts and pass it along. Actually, it is very simple. But I can't tell you guys that it doesn't require any work. It took me a long time to get to the point where I was able to do my first deal. It took me a lot of research. I became very obsessed with doing real estate wholesaling. I kind of wanted to like prove people wrong, but not really. At the same time, I mainly just wanted to just see what's possible out there in this world, because like I was going to school and I was going for computer science and whatnot, and I was really just believing that was really the only way I can go out there and make lots of money. And now that I've gotten into entrepreneurship and real estate wholesaling, which it's opened my eyes greatly, but anyways, I found that there's a lot of money out there in this world, and it's very easy to make a lot of money. You have to put your energy in the right route, so that way you have these opportunities open up for you, because you're not going to have opportunities open up if you're not putting in the work. Now, how did like me doing my first deal, how did that change like my situation and everything? It didn't change myself whatsoever. It didn't really change my my opinion on things. Well, it did change my opinion, but I want to say like it didn't really just change who I was. It opened my eyes up to more and more opportunity. With the money that I was able to make early on, I was able to see all these other opportunities that were out there in different venues in entrepreneurship, whether it be making money online or in person and whatnot, or like even cryptocurrency for a little bit. And I was able to see all these opportunities that were available, and I'm able to take more advantage of all these different opportunities. I would have not known that some of these different routes of making money were out there if I didn't close my first deal and I started doing more and more research. And so obviously once I started like master one trade, which was the real estate wholesaling, I started to venture into other stuff and just kind of seeing what was going on out in the scene of entrepreneurship and seeing what kind of cultivates to what I like the most. And so I kind of like the online scene a little bit more, but I really got to structure and make sure that my real estate wholesaling business, I can just totally walk away for maybe like 3 months and my business is still running. That's what I'm trying to get set up to. And so I'm going to keep wholesaling personally until I get to that point where I don't have to put in as many hours as most people do into this business. And so really just like you make a lot of money very quickly inside a year. Like I was saying, like the average deal making like $10,000 and they're trying to get that up higher. I know some wholesalers in like California that are making like $50,000 a deal on average, which is ridiculous. And so there's so much opportunity out there in this business. You just have to go out there and take it. And now obviously there's a lot of people trying to get into it. I'm not going to lie about that either. Like there's a lot more wholesalers in my area, which is in Boise, than I anticipated when I first moved out here and was doing deals. As I started networking more and more, it turns out there was more than just like I thought 5 people. It's probably more towards like the 50 marker. And so like in whatever market you're in, there's probably other people doing this business. But I bet like out of the 50 people that are out here, maybe 5 maximum are consistently doing deals. I would say 5 maximum. And I would say more like 2 are probably the ones that are like killing it. And I don't really see anybody really killing it out here in this market. I'm like on everybody's buyers list and I don't see anything. I mean, if you are in Boise and you're killing it, hit me up. I want to we got to network a little bit because I obviously like I just don't see it out there. And the point I'm getting at is if you just go out there and take action, which I preach a lot in this channel and everything, if you take massive action, put it towards the right route, or at least just fail a little bit, fail some, you're going to get to where you want to be a lot faster than most people, and you're going to have more opportunities and more success than the average person inside of this business. And so whoever fails the most makes the most inside of here. So I want you guys to keep that in mind, and I want you guys to go out there and just kill it. Like I said at the beginning, I'm doing a live training tomorrow at 6 p.m. Pacific time. And so I hope to see you guys there. It's going to be between like 60 and 90 minutes. I'm going to be really breaking down a lot of stuff inside of there. And I will not be doing any recordings. I haven't decided officially, but chances are very high that I'm not going to do any recordings. I want to just put everything out there one day, give you guys massive value, show you guys what I'm kind of doing inside my business a little bit, give you guys some real world examples, and give you everything that you need, all the tools that you need in order to have success. Also, bonus is I am giving out all my contracts and all the scripts that I use inside of my business at the end of the webinar. So if you guys stick around, I will give you all of that for free. I'm not going to charge you guys anything for that. So don't you worry. Just it's going to be worth it. Stick around and just watch it. And I think you guys will really learn a lot out of it. And so like I said, description is going to be down in the bio. Well, the link's going to be in the description down below. And so like always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, and you haven't already, join the fam, join the gang by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. If you haven't already, there's a little bell that pops up when you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit that so that way you can be updated when I upload videos, as I do upload every day. And so also, if you guys enjoyed today's video, drop a like. And like always, I'll be seeing you all tomorrow. Peace.